treatments. I think patients want to get better yesterday, and you've got to say to people, this is the treatment, use your moisturiser, hang in there, and you should see results resistance with either a topical retinoid or a topical ant. But other things that you'll hear about, other things that may be coming to you very, very soon are the following, and it's a discussion with your patient about what will work best for them.
The veins, but begin with the facial shapes. Oval line, the inverted egg, and the round, the hard equal. In the male patient, the man generally is the round shape is all the countries that I have been talking, it's the same thing. Generally will elongate a little. Then this, if you want to make it slimmer a face, as this my patient, we can inject it too to have a slimmer effect. And this lady is 25 years old. We changed for an angular face shape because she's Brazilian, she wants more definition. You know? Depending on male or female is changing because of the culture. No? So this is one of my patients in Brazil.
Her temples are a little bit sunken. You know, the way the light is hitting this zone versus before. So here's an example of a cannula. Now outline the area that I'm going to treat. So you can see all of that area there. And I'm just outlining it. And in the lower 2 centimeters, you want to be sub-Q, and above that, you can be deeper. And again, just injecting from that point there. You can also inject from higher up. And I'm just putting in a bunch of volume. I typically tend to move, and I'm just trying to look for light and shadows and trying to smooth the area with it.
In the orbital retaining ligaments and the zygomatic ligament. And that's the area in which you are going to be introducing your cannula. And with this cannula, you're able to treat the mid-cheeks. You can go all the way down to the nasal.
Landmarks, because sometimes we talk and people confound some areas. For example, we have the jaws that become more prominent and visible when we enter treatment. So I'm using diluted gradients 1:1 to enhance her lower face contour and mandibular line. I'm injecting on the pre-jaw circles, and to improve her mandibular angle, I'm injecting with needle with a high G prime product. I'm using Velotero volume. We can achieve better results than single modalities. So we can add botulinum toxin, and you can see the improvement of lower face contour. We can add high-intensity focus ultrasound, cryolipolysis, and even lipolytic agents. And what is interesting is that you can see a progressive improvement in skin quality.
Inject 20 ml each line. Here you can see an improvement. It's 1 month after the 3rd session, 1 vial per side. Improvement in the creasiness skin. Here you can see there's an improvement in the inferior part. And in the posterior part of the arm, you can see a more evident improvement. And if you can observe, you can compare both sides, you will see that in the oxalate, I use this dilution 1:1, but nowadays I use to combine it with hyaluronic acid. This is the final solution, and I have 2.5 ml to treat each hand, using a 22 gauge cannula for 7 centimeters, and I inject in the superficial subcutaneous in the whole hand.
Inilah Bioderma. Kita tunggu ya produknya datang ke Indonesia ya.
Thank you dokter.
Halo, saya lagi relax sore hari, capek dan sensitif. Minum chamomile tea dan juga es krim pakai roti, enak banget. Yuk.
we have something called the barrier function. How to restore and maintain the barrier function, and the epidermis renewal is continuous. That's what we need to learn how to do that. Dermatology, how to learn how to regulate cellular function and restore back the normal function of each cell.
Basically, I was just sharing my experience using 2D cream. As you can tell that my own claim to being an and also our most important thing is our product which we are going to discuss today, which is the QV products. QV products is the product that is the best product
Halo, pagi ini saya berada di exhibition dan saya berada di L'Oreal dan saya akan ngobrol-ngobrol ya dengan orang L'Orealnya ya. Can you explain me about the product? How is the benefit?
Well, the benefits, so we are known as the Antioxidant Authority.
Okay.
We're most known for our CE Ferulic formula, proven to work because of the way we formulate with vitamin C.
Okay.
Our philosophy is to prevent through our antioxidants and then correct the current signs of damage, as well as protecting through broad spectrum SPF. So these are some of our best sellers here.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello, yeah, fine. CeraVe is product with ceramide?
Yep.
Ceramide, yeah, for the moisturizer, yeah?
Three essential ceramides in it, and it also has a MB technology. It's a multivesicular emulsion system, which is unique to CeraVe, and that's what makes it different to all the other moisturizers.
Okay.
It's a slow release technology that makes your skin hydrated throughout the day, so you only need to apply it once a day.
Okay.
And your skin will be hydrated throughout the day. So this is the all three essential ceramides. The MB technology, it contains a hyaluronic acid, oysters, everything that your skin needs in order to repair itself, to have a healthy skin barrier. It's non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic, fragrance-free. It's got a pH balance for your skin, and it's suitable for normal to dry skin. For patients with like eczema, atopic dermatitis, this is really good for them. And so many studies supporting the efficacy of the product.
Yes.
One of the recent studies that we've done is trying this regimen with patients with diabetic cirrhosis, actually. So you know how there are so many skin discomfort associated with patients with diabetic cirrhosis. And it was shown that there's 98% improvement in the global aesthetic improvement scale. And then that really helped with them. And then you see like more in details how there is a significant reduction.
For diabetic cirrhosis, yes.
Yeah, 82%, 93%, 97%. There are really significant reduction in the symptoms associated with diabetic cirrhosis using that regimen.
Saya berada berkeliling di seluruh ini untuk melihat produk-produk baru yang beredar, yang akan masuk ke Indonesia, dari yang baru dan sudah beredar di Indonesia. Ini rata-rata sudah beredar di Indonesia dari Aven, ya, kemudian EQ Solution. Sudah banyak sekali produknya, bukan hanya untuk produk kosmetik, tapi juga produk terapeutik, penyakit kulit, ya. Menarik ya produknya, dan banyak juga alat-alat yang baru. Tapi ya yang baru saya lihat Nantus Skin Analyzer ya, jadi dia hanya menggunakan foto. Jadi pasien biasanya yang saya gunakan adalah alat skin analyzer yang dimana mukanya itu harus masuk dalam satu ruangan kecil, kemudian setelah itu secara komputerized nanti akan dilihat bagaimana hasilnya. Tapi pada tadi saya lihat berupa foto ditembakkan, ada seperti sinar laser, yang kemudian nanti akan hasilnya keluar melalui komputer. Akan terlihat tampak bagaimana pori-pori, even skin tone-nya, juga wrinkle-nya, pigmentation-nya, di semua dari situ ya. Nah, hari ini saya selesai ya dengan Ibu Sri Primawati, Kepala Dinkes Tegal. Setelah bukan kita nggak keluar mulung, kita dipaksa harus mengambil. Yuk sekarang kita pergi untuk facial dulu ya. Facial dengan stem cell product.
In 1952 by Clark, who reported this chronic symmetric pustules that were found in dark-skinned individuals from Western Nigeria.
So that's just sort of giving you just an eyeball view of as to how to do it. So then, once you've broken it up into those areas, you can then do the more formal salt scoring. When we do this in clinical trials, we may need to do this.
Selamat pagi semua, saya di hari keempat di Singapura ini. Dari Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumat kelima ya ternyata. Dan saya sekarang masih berada di daerah Bugis berkeliling karena sudah mengikuti seminar beberapa hari. Dan nanti akan lihat ya perjalanan saya, karena saya mau nengok teman juga di MONI karena dia sedang akan melakukan operasi untuk suatu proses lainannya di daerah kepala. Dan juga saya akan jalan-jalan bersama dengan teman saya, sahabat saya, bestie saya selama di Singapura ini, dan bestie saya sudah lama. Dan kita ikuti ya nanti acaranya ya, sampai di mana ya. Oke. Nah, kita sudah ada kita sudah di Orchard nih ya. Mau jalan dulu ke MONI, kemudian nanti akan berjalan lagi ya. Ini ada Lucky Plaza yang terkenal murahnya. Kemudian tempat lainnya lagi. Kita ada Takashimaya, makan Takashimaya ya. Sekarang kita lihat-lihat dulu di Lucky Plaza ini ya. Saya mau beli ini tongsis baru nih ya. Dari toko apa nih Lucky Plaza-nya? Toko apa? Toko apa namanya? Jinko ya, nih tokonya. TikTok ya. Ini murah nih ya nanti ya. Oke ya. Halo, saya lagi di nasi Padang nih di Lucky Plaza. Nah, ini dengan ibu cantik, ibu Tegal nih. Siapa namanya, Bu?
Ririn Kumala. Halo.
Ya, udah berapa lama ini sini?
Udah lumayan lama banget, tinggal bisa dihitung.
Oh gitu ya. Sini udah anak-anak banget nih makanan. Itu dapat dari mana sayur-sayurnya?
Itu kalau ini suppliernya semuanya dari apa namanya Malaysia.
Oh Malaysia ya. Nah, itu parenya enak
tapi yang
banget.
masak Surabaya.
Oh, yang masak Surabaya. Oke, enak banget nih. Semuanya enak, ikannya, apanya, waduh enak banget nih. Pokoknya udah pasti kalau mencari halal di sini ya.
Iya.
Aduh.
Ada pokoknya kalau di Singapura tuh harus ada halal yang kayak gini ya logonya ya.
Oh, logonya ya, betul ya.
Punya. Itu betul.
Ya. Oke, iya. Nah, ini berarti kita makannya halal ya?
Iya, halal.
Oke, Mbak Ririn makasih ya.
Makasih
Ternyata
banyak
juga enak ya.
Ya.
Sudah seminar, kita jalan dulu ya. Ke Takashimaya. Ini berada di Paragon ya kita ya. Paragon melihat-lihat. Ya. Saya sudah mau pulang ke Indonesia. Kita lihat di sini ya, di Bandara Changi ini begitu bagusnya ya. bisa lihat semua pemandangan di sini. Saya berada di sini untuk pulang ke Indonesia karena terburu-buru ya, harus pulang ya.